Well, that's because, you know, I think that's just because we went to this disposable society.
Oh man, it's terrible.
It is. It's horrible.
And then that's my daughter down there and my son on, that's Claudia's tractor, my daughter's tractor. It's a 224 Case. We repowered it with a Kohler Magnum 16 single cylinder.
Okay.
And that actually can plow. She's got the sleeve hitch and everything. If I had bar lugs on it, we could just drop that thing right in the ground, but I don't think it would go anywhere because it won't have the traction right now.
Right. Well, you know, sometimes I knew a guy who didn't put AGs on his tractor. He just put
The
tire
chains
chains on it, and that the tire chains did just as good as the bar lug.
Yep.